In today's video, I'll show you how to repair corrupted Outlook PST files using the built-in inbox repair tool, also called SCANPST. If Outlook won't open, crashes when switching folders, or shows errors about data files, your personal storage table, PST, may be corrupted. The inbox repair tool can analyze and help fix these issues. Before starting, make sure Outlook is completely closed. Don't just minimize it, exit the app entirely. Check near your system clock for the Outlook icon. Right-click and quit it if still active. For extra safety, open Task Manager and end any remaining Outlook processes. Closing Outlook prevents conflicts while the tool works on your PST file. To open the inbox repair tool, run SCANPST.exe. Sometimes Outlook will prompt you automatically if it detects a corrupted file. Otherwise, search for SCANPST in Windows Search or browse to your Microsoft Office installation folder, typically under Program Files or Program Files, x86, Microsoft Office version folder. Double-click SCANPST.exe to start the tool. Once open, click Browse to select the PST file you want to scan. If you're unsure of its location, check Documents Outlook Files or search for files with the .pst extension. Select the correct mailbox file, then click Start to begin scanning. The scan can take time, especially for large files or slower drives. Keep Outlook closed and avoid shutting down your computer during the process. If using a laptop, plug in power to prevent interruptions. After scanning, the tool will display results, showing any detected issues. Larger files may take longer and list more items to review, so be patient. By following these steps, you can use the inbox repair tool to analyze and repair your PST file, helping restore Outlook to stable and reliable use.